guys, welcome back to our channel Will Calypso, biking and travel vlog. So today I'm here with a new video of our new series Trivia. The people who follow us on Instagram or Facebook may know that we are starting with our trivia series, and for that we are choosing our city Kolkata. You know that Kolkata is one of the oldest cities in India, so there must be hidden treasures in it. Let's find out the hidden treasures while you watch our videos. Be short. Kolkata, the city of joy. If you listen closely, you can hear its heartbeat. It's a city which makes everyone feel attached to it. If you are staying for even just a year, Kolkata will make you think you know a lot about this city. But with every mile you cover, you will discover something new. From Nawabi Mughals to the tech-savvy Google, my city has never grew old. If Mumbai is the city that never sleeps, then Kolkata is the city that never gets tired and dreams of more joy, more happiness. The city of joy has wonders hidden beyond common sight. So we bring you some lesser known yet interesting facts about Kolkata. Today, Howrah Bridge is the most popular face of Kolkata to the rest of India. This bridge, which is also known as Robindra Setu, carries daily approx 1 lakh vehicles and possibly more than 1.5 lakhs pedestrians. It is the 6th largest cantilever bridge in the world. There has been a remarkable relation between Kolkata and books since centuries. The city has second largest second-hand book market in the world, College Street, or commonly known as Boipara. There is a popular saying that if a book cannot be found in College Street, the book was possibly never brought into existence. So famous is the Kolkata International Book Fair. This book fair is the third largest books conglomeration in the world and the largest in Asia. This is also the largest non-trade book fair and the most attended book fair in the world. Kolkata National Library is the largest and oldest library in existence in India. University of Calcutta is the first Western-style varsity to impact secular education in Asia. It was established in the year of 1857. Bengalis are nerdy bookworms, but the love for football is immortal. In terms of number of seats available, the football stadium known as Salt Lake Stadium or Vivekananda Yuva Bharati Kridangan is the world's second largest. In terms of total number of seats, the framed cricket stadium Eden Gardens in Kolkata is the world's third largest. Calcutta might have not been the city of princes, but the Calcutta Polo Club is the oldest one in the world. Kolkata has the oldest golf course in the country, which is also a matter of immense pride. The golf club, which is also known as the Royal Kolkata Golf Club, was established in the year of 1829. The Calcutta Football League, which was founded in 1898, is India's oldest football tournament and the second oldest in the world. Asia's oldest electric running tram was in Kolkata since 1902. Now the bygone trams have been revamped and presented with their AC versions, which makes it further enjoyable and comfortable. It's not just the trams, but Kolkata is the only city in the world where you can ride on hand-pulled rickshaws. running on the city streets since the British times. Kolkata's Birla Planetarium is the world's second largest and Asia's largest planetarium. If you have been in Kolkata but missed to visit the Indian Museum, trust me, you have missed a lot. It is the 9th oldest museum of the world, and in country, it is the oldest and largest. As a Bengali kid, we all had our Sunday destination to Science City someday or other. This Science City is the largest science center in India. The Zoological Garden Alipur is the oldest zoo in country, entertaining people since 1876. Many of us might have heard about Botanical Garden in Shibpur of Howrah, and thus we must know about the Great Banyan Tree. But did you know it's the largest and oldest tree in the world? It has more than 330 meters of circumference. But sadly, after the super cyclone Amphan hit, it has been hugely affected. Rasgulla. You think about Bengali and simultaneously you think about Rasgulla. So this famous Bengali sweet has its origin here. Sri Nobin Chandra Das, a local confectioner, invented this sweet way back in 1868. Now another invention of foodie Bengalis. Despite the current political facts between China and India, many of the Bengalis know that Kolkata has the largest population of Chinese people in India since ages, which gave birth to the fusion cuisine Indo-Chinese. You get the best Indian version of Chinese food here. Last one, but not the least of course. Prakriti Tirtho or Eco Park in Kolkata is the largest ecotourism park in country. It is situated in Newtown area of Rajarhat, spread across an area of around 190 hectares of land surrounded by 42 hectares of water body. So that's all for today, but we are going to make more and more of videos like this. We have a lot in our bucket list to include in this trivia series. So stay tuned, comment us your thoughts below, and do not forget to hit the red subscribe button and set the bell icon to all to be notified about all of the videos we upload.